So this is the last time it's going to be a stock ride height. Let's take a look at that one more time. So next time we see it, it's going to be sitting a little higher, looking a lot meaner with this kit right here. So stay tuned. Let's see how it turns out. That I get asked a lot is, Jose, how is it that you install these kits, you do all this work on your own cars, trucks, you do all your work, How is it? How do you do it? Well, the answer's simple. All you got to do is you got to say this magic word. SAS! And that's all there is to it. Oh, what the? Oh, shit. Something must have happened. Oh, I know what it was. This is back logo. You gotta go SAS back here, too. Alright, let's do it. SAS! Holy cow.
You can drink my liquor, you can call my lady, you can take my money, you can smoke my blunt. Scuff these Jordans, you can say you hate me, you can call me crazy, but don't touch my truck. Don't touch my truck. AC busted and the floorboards rusted, with a little bit of love and it'll fire right up. Payday for it, would've gave 8 more. I wouldn't trade that sucker for $1 million. Telling boys come and get me, I'll be riding through the city, young, rich and I'm pretty. Homie, don't get it twisted, keep it simple and hear me. Red coat full of Henny, heads full of pennies. You can drink my liquor, you can call my lady, you can take my money, you can smoke my blunt. Scuff these Jordans, you can say you hate me, you can call me crazy, but don't touch my truck. Hey.